Number sequencing before and after with Teacher Farah.
Can you count to 20? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was fun.
Children, look at this video. What we have here? A fish with number 5 and number 7. Can you guess the missing number, children? Is it 2? No, it's wrong, children. What number comes after 5? Is it 6? Yes, correct. 5, 6, 7. Very good. Now look at here what we have. A star. We have 3 star, number 5 star. Can you guess the missing number, children? Is it 6? No, wrong. Is it 9? No, wrong. What number comes after 3, children? 3, 4, 5. Very good. What we have here? Number 1 and number 3. Can you guess the missing number, children? Is it 4? No. What number comes after 1? Is it 7? No, it's wrong. 1. After that, 2 and 3. Very good. Children, for homework, I want you to take out hands-on math book B2 and please open page 7. Circle the page, write down day and date. Also, you need to finish page 8. Circle the page, write down day and date. Today, you do 2 pages of homework. Good luck, children. Love you.